Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the major issues financial instability in culture event. I will use the 2024 crisis in Summerhall, a key venue at the Edinburgh Fringe, as my case study. This case show what happened when strategy planning and financial management go wrong, which is a core part of our module. So, what was the issue? In October 2024, 180 shows at the summer hall found out they were not they getting the paid their ticket monies. This was a lot of money, up to 50,000 pound for one artist. This is big deal because artists at the French already take care all the financial risk. Many pay high fees just to get a front stage. One artist, for example, paid 9,600 upfront. The crisis was triggered when the tax office HMRC took the legal action against the Summerhall for a £500,000 tax bill. This legal action instantly frees the venue's bank account, and all this money was trapped inside. But this was not a new problem. My research shows this was a repeated failure. The exact same thing happened in 2013 with another tax dispute. The fact this happened again shows a long-term failure to manage this risk. The problem was made worse by the confusing structure. There was two Summerhall Management, which got into the tax trouble, and Summerhall Arts, the charity, run the show. But the same person was CEO of both. So when the management side is failed, it's pulled the arts charity down with. The brief was who was involved. As you can see the table, there was a huge power imbalance. The artists were the main victim. They had no power but faced the worst impact, catching serious financial and mental health problem. HMRC, the tax office, had all the power to freeze the money. Summerall Management was the company that failed. Two other groups was trapped. The Fringe Society, which runs the Central Box office, was legally blocked from the paying artists directly. The equity unions stepped into the speak up to artists, and finally, the staffs at the summer hall also do not get paid. The brief asked for the issues type. It's definitely a same mixture of the versatile factor. The main factor is the economy. The entire French model is financially rich. Venue and artists do not get the much public funding, and cost for their travel and accommodation are too high. This slide is a political backdrop for the cats and artist funding. The social impact was a huge. It shows how unstable life is for artists and cases to real stress and loss of trust. But the crisis was started by the legal factor. They triggered was the HMRC using the legal tool to damp its money, and the trap was a contract law the, that stopped the French society for the helping the artist. Finally, the brief was for strategic model to examine the problem, not solve it. I have three. First one is non-profit governance model. This link to our leadership topic and help us ask why did the manage not stop a risk they known about for the 10 year. Second, resource dependency theory. This link to funding and examine why the French model is so fledged because it's depends entirely on unreliable money for the artists and ticket sale. That stakeholder theory and business ethics. This link to business ethics, and let's use examine the ethical problem of the system that force artists, the people with the least power. They take on the all the financial risk. My analysis is based on these news and academic resource, which are on the side of for you to review. Thank you for listening. Thank you.